Hey guys, Samsung introduced its ISOCELL GN5 50 megapixel sensor with the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus phone and also used a similar 50 megapixel GN3 sensor on this year Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus model. That same 50 megapixel sensor is also expected to be reused on the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus devices. But a new tip suggests that the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus phone may be using Sony camera sensor. The new report comes from reliable tipster Tech Rip who hold a solid track record for Samsung rumor. There are no specific details on the actual camera sensor in the question given that we are more than a year away from the S25 series launch. Samsung is also rumored to be working on a new 200 megapixel 1-inch ISOCELL sensor for its S25 Ultra with a 0.8 micropixel dual pixel autofocus and in-sensor crop zoom. The only other known rumor to the Galaxy S25 series is the Exynos 2500 chipset who is expected to featuring a 10-core CPU fabbed on the Galaxy 3nm mode. So that's all about the upcoming Galaxy S25 series. So if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.